Ever wondered what goes into making a perfect lasagna? The layers of pasta, the rich meat sauce, the creamy bechamel, and the melty cheese? Well, today, we unravel the mystery behind this Italian classic. Picture this: the aroma of a bubbling lasagna wafting through your kitchen. It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and colors, and it's easier to make than you might think. First, gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need about 12 sheets of lasagna pasta. For the meat sauce, you'll need minced beef, onions, garlic, tomatoes, and a dash of red wine. Then, for the bechamel, you'll need butter, flour, milk, and nutmeg. And let's not forget the star of the show, the cheese. A combination of mozzarella and parmesan works wonders. Now, onto the cooking. Start with the meat sauce. Sauté onions and garlic until they're golden. Add the minced beef and cook it thoroughly. Pour in the wine, let it reduce, then add the tomatoes. Let this simmer until it thickens into a rich, hearty sauce. While the meat sauce is simmering away, it's time to prepare the bechamel. Melt the butter, stir in the flour, then gradually whisk in the milk until you have a smooth, creamy sauce. Sprinkle in some nutmeg for that extra hint of flavor. Now, the assembly. Start by spreading a layer of meat sauce at the bottom of your baking dish. Follow this with a layer of pasta sheets. Top this with the bechamel and sprinkle over some cheese. Repeat these layers until you've used up all your ingredients, finishing with a generous layer of cheese on top. Into the oven it goes, at a moderate temperature for about 45 minutes. You're looking for a golden, bubbling top. Once it's ready, give it a few minutes to cool before you dive in. And there you have it, a perfect lasagna with layers of pasta, a rich meat sauce, a creamy bechamel, and a golden cheesy top. It's a labor of love, but the end result is well worth it. To recap, here are the steps and ingredients you need. Ingredients: 12 sheets of lasagna pasta, minced beef, onions, garlic, tomatoes, red wine, butter, flour, milk, nutmeg, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Steps: prepare the meat sauce, make the bechamel, layer the lasagna with meat sauce, pasta, bechamel, and cheese. Bake until golden and bubbly. Enjoy! Remember, cooking is an art, not a science. Feel free to tweak the recipe to your liking. Who knows, you might just create a new lasagna classic. Happy cooking!